When your endoscope malfunctions, your first thought might be to replace it. However, opting for repair over replacement can save you tens of thousands of dollars. With industry-leading turnaround times, Probo Medical offers full repairs of flexible and rigid endoscopes performed by our expertly trained technicians. All flexible and rigid endoscopes are repaired in-house at our dedicated ISO 13485 certified facility in Tamarack, Florida. We have a wide range of warranty and loaner options tailored to fit your needs so you can experience minimal downtime. Probo offers repairs for the top brands including Olympus, Pentax, Karl Storz, Stryker, and ACMI. Our repair service are competitively priced to provide affordable solutions for our customers while delivering exceptional results. Choose Probo Medical for your endoscope repair service and get reliable, efficient, and quality care every time. Call today and see how Probo's scope repair and service options can save you thousands. Probo Medical, image smarter.